Hey, this is Krista Greenbeans coming at you from Texas, USA, and you're watching RobMotive.
Well, good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. Hey, I did a live stream last night, and a lot of people were telling me that the 2020 Tacoma is out. It's being delivered to dealerships, and you can get one. Now, I went out to the Toyota website under their build option, and I couldn't find any information. I couldn't find any evidence of that. So I thought, well, I'm going to do a little more research. I went out to Auto Trader, and I looked up the 2020. And they're there. They're listed. There are 98 entries at dealerships that have, they say, or at least list, the 2020 Tacoma. Now, the shocking part, the price gouging has begun. Now, what they're hunting for, they're looking for people that just can't stand it. They got to put their hands on that first Tacoma. They got to go in there and drop a deposit off, maybe, I don't know, and pay that exorbitant price. But I'm going to run through, I've got some examples of what these dealerships are asking for the 2020 Tacoma. It's insane. The first one that I came across, this is a 2020 Tacoma 4x4 double cab. That's all it says. There's even detail. It doesn't say anything more than that. So I've got to assume it's an SR or SR5. Now, they're asking $46,110 for this truck. What? The MSRP they show is $45,511. I don't know where they're getting this. The detail they give, which is very little, they say it's a 6-cylinder and it's voodoo blue. I guess the big markup is because it's voodoo blue. I don't know. But from my own research, and these are estimates that I have found, the SR or SR5, which I can only assume this is because they don't call it anything else, unlike some of the others that I'm going to go over, the pricing on the SR and the SR5, respectively, is $27,000 or $29,000. So at $46,110, that's a heck of a markup. Now, the next one. The next one I looked at was a 2020 Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4. They are asking $44,977. They don't give an MSRP. I wonder why. The only detail on it, it's gray, which probably means cement, because that's what a lot of the dealerships call the cement color. And it's a 6-cylinder. Now, from my own research, again, estimated pricing, the TRD Sport starts at $34,000. So over a $10,000 markup. I guess that's the early bird special. I don't know. Now, this one is interesting. This one's actually a deal. If you can get this and you're in the market, you should run out and buy this one right away. This is a 2020 Tacoma TRD Pro 4x4. A Pro 4x4. Their price, according to their information on Auto Trader anyway, is $40,392. What? That is a deal. Now, the MSRP, not given. Not given. Now, the only detail they give on this is that it is a 6-cylinder and it's tan or sand color. Now, again, they do say it's a TRD Pro. Right there. From my research, the TRD Pro 2020, the MSRP is going to be right about $44,000. So you can pick up, according to this listing, a TRD Pro for $40,392. That's a deal. You should buy that right away if you're looking for that one. That's the only one that was a deal. The next one, the next trim level, is the 2020 Tacoma, and this one states with the SR5 package, and it is a 4x4. The only detail they give is it's 6-cylinder and it's gray. I'm guessing again it's cement, but maybe it is gray. I don't know. Their price is $37,766. Now, the pricing that I saw, again, an estimated price, is $29,000. So you're going to pay over $8,000. I don't know, the early bird special again. That's the I gotta have it right now deal. There it is. Next up, the 2020 Tacoma SR 4x4. Now this is the lowest trim level, right? The SR. Their price, $34,567. The MSRP, not given, not given. And as far as detail, they list it as a 6-cylinder, black, and that's it. Now, from my research, I show the SR5 is going to be starting somewhere around $29,000. So, for a mere $5,567, you can go grab this SR5, I guess, right now. Now, the limited trim. I didn't find any information on the limited trim. Nobody listed, surprisingly, that they had a limited trim. So I gotta think that the markup is probably going to be somewhere in the, according to what I saw, $10,000 range for a Tacoma. I don't know. Now, a couple of interesting things that I noticed. None of these dealers said that they were in stock, that they were actually located on the lot. All of them said confirmed delivery. So I'm guessing what they're doing is they're kind of putting the feelers out there, trying to see if they can get some sort of a huge markup on these trucks before they're even available. I mean, why not? Now, I'm not against making a profit. I mean, if you got somebody out there who's willing to come in and pay that extra price because they want to be the first one to grab one and they can't stand it, well then so be it. But you should at least be aware of what some of these dealerships are asking for these trucks, only because they're not out yet and they're brand new. Now, one other thing I noticed is most of them hardly give any, pretty much no detail. I think only one actually had a picture of a Tacoma, and it was a fuzzy, kind of blurry picture like they did a screen capture somewhere, poorly done too, by the way, and posted it on their website. I couldn't really even tell if it was a 2020, so who knows? I don't know. The other interesting thing is almost all of these people that listed these trucks listed a VIN number. Now, the reason that's interesting, and this is the best thing that I got out of this whole thing, to me that means, unless they're all just making stuff up, which, you know, it could be, I don't know, but that means that Toyota is indeed building these trucks and assigning VIN numbers to them. So, what does that mean? That means the 2020 build is underway, and that is awesome. I'm still looking to see, there is somebody who sent me a message that said that their dealership has the 2020s on their lot, and they were going to go drive one. So I'm curious to see if he actually was able to put his hands on one and it really did exist. So let me know if you're out there. I'm not going to name you, I don't want to name names, but if you're out there and you actually did go drive one, let me know. And even better, if you happen to get a picture of the sticker, I would love to see that. Reason being, number one, I'd like to know exactly what they are including on these for the price. And two, if the dealerships are adding, or at least the one you went to, adding any extra stuff to it that they're jacking up the price. I don't know. So anyway, I just wanted to get on here, let you guys know what's going on. Apparently, dealership price gouging for the 2020 Tacoma has begun. The only good thing that I take from this is that that means to me that the 2020 is getting closer to mainstream release. And I'm going to be able to pick one up, hopefully, in not too long. And I will not pay a premium to get one. Just not something that I think you should have to do on a Tacoma. It's not like it's a special edition Ferrari or a first run supercar or something crazy like that, or even a limited production model. They are going to be out in mass. There's going to be millions of them. There's no reason you should have to pay a markup for just a mainstream Tacoma, in my opinion. Anyway, just want to let you guys know what's going on. Leave a comment down below. Would you pay these markups for this truck? I don't know. As usual, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on the web. Have a great day. Bye.